download and set up your CapCut. Hi guys, welcome back to my page and welcome to day one of our video editing class. So in today's class, I'm going to be walking you through the process of how you can download your CapCut and set it up. In order for you to enjoy editing on CapCut, you have to subscribe to monthly pro version of the CapCut for about 17,500 or thereabout. Alright, but I have an amazing plan for you. Now, I do sell CapCut Pro. So if you want to get your CapCut Pro and you don't necessarily have to pay 17,500 naira. So I can give it for 3,000 naira if you are using an Android phone, and if you're using iPhone, I'll give it for 5,000 naira. So if you're interested, you want to go ahead and send me a DM or click the link in the description or in the comment section or in the caption to send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll be leaving the link to my WhatsApp on the caption. Alright, so you might as well want to send me a message on WhatsApp and I will deliver premium to you for just 3,000 naira for Android users and 5,000 naira for iPhone users. Regardless, I will still walk you through how you can download CapCut. So let's head back to my screen and I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your mobile device, find the Play Store application, or if you are using an iPhone, you want to go to your iOS store. Then go to the search button and search for CapCut, and this is what you should be having. You should be having something like this. So this is what the CapCut app look like. So you want to go ahead and install. It's already installed on my phone, and that is why it is writing update. But in yours, it will be like something like install. So you want to go ahead and install, and this is what we have. So for those that will be subscribing to my pro version, these are the benefits. These are everything you're going to be enjoying in the CapCut. We have the AI story maker, we have the AI poster, we have the retouch, we have the camera, we have the auto caption, we have the teleprompter, we have the camera, we have the auto enhance, adjust speed, AI story maker, script to video. All of these features are amazing features. I'm going to be walking you through the process step by step. I'm going to be showing you what you can actually achieve with these premium features. So it is very, very important. If you are using the free version, you might not have access to all of these premium features. You might not have access to it. They will ask you to pay. So for just a token, you'll be getting all of these premium features for just a token. So if you enjoyed this series, don't forget to like, share it, and leave a comment. Alright, share this video for somebody that might need it. So comment where you give me my next video. Bye guys.